What's up, guys? Sitting back at the office doing a little thinking, and thought I'd shoot a little video and let you know what's going on now. Started a new hobby. I've always had a hobby. I'm learning how to tattoo from an online course, and so far it's going well. I'm still going to be shooting, gold dredging, hunting, fishing, all that stuff. It's like normal, but this is something to do, keep me learning something new in between on rain days and weekends when I can't go prospecting, things like that because of work or whatever. So I'm gonna post probably some shorts for a while and just see how they go and see if they get any attention or not, or see if anybody cares or not, whatever. But I'm really enjoying it. I think I'm on my 12th day now, and yeah, things have been progressing pretty daggone fast. So yeah, we're gonna shoot some videos of me learning to tattoo and kind of the progress as I go, and see what y'all think. Maybe you like it, maybe you don't. It's not your thing, that's fine. But I'm actually finding it very interesting, and like I said, I'm learning a lot. I have a pretty bad OCD brain, so when my brain's not engaged into something, my mind races terribly, and I get insomnia, and I can't sleep, and yeah, it's a thing. So with this, it gives me something new to learn, something new to focus on when I can't be gold dredging. That's coming soon. Weather's getting warm, and it's about time to start hitting creeks. I've been doing a bunch of testing, and have actually filmed a little bit, but it wasn't much to show anybody because it's just testing, and a lot of busts. But we are not giving up. We've still got our old properties from last year, but we're still looking for something new to work this year that may be better. You just don't know. Anyway, hope you like the short videos, and yeah, hopefully you dig it. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.